Okay, this is the spindle running at 500 RPM. And it's really cold here, so I feel like it's a little bit louder than it typically is. I'm gonna go ahead and bump up to, let's go 2000 RPM. RPM. It's pretty quiet. Go ahead and take her up to, we'll say 4,000. Pretty dadgum quiet. I guess we're 3,700. Go a little bit higher. We'll just max her out. It's probably 6,000 RPM or thereabouts. Still definitely pretty quiet. So I guess what I'm trying to say, Roger, is I think your bearings are toast. But it sounds like you have it under control.